Think about a movie which you felt really connected to, a movie which you felt really deeply for. Think about all of your favorite movies, favorite actors, favorite characters in those great movies. The actors are not acting, the actors become the character. Great actors don't need to act because they become the character they're playing. That's exactly what you need to do. If you want to achieve great success and live a great life, you have to become someone else. You have to become someone no one thought you could be, not even you. There is no human being on this planet who achieves success 100% of the time. There is no human being on this planet who is happy 100% of the time. There is no human being on this planet who lives up with this feeling 100% of the time. We all have a low moments. We all take a step back. We all have fallen down and got up into things which were not meant for us, and we all fall down. Some of us get lost for a really short period of time, where some of us can get lost forever, whereas some of us find our way back into the path we were destined to travel. Some time back, I had a dream, a perfect dream. I was happy and successful. I had everything I ever dreamed of or planned to seek. I had a perfect house. I had a loving and caring husband. I was the best psychologist in town. I had a perfect life. And then I woke up with a bright smile on my face and realized, oh my God, my life was a mess. My surrounding was a mess. I was a mess. From the past 4 years of my life, I've been roaming around in circles, taking flight and landing anywhere. I lacked from low self-esteem and lacked confidence. I was filled with negativity and filled with darkness. I was sad, clueless, and hopeless all of the time. There were people around me who tagged me as a failure and was certain that I won't be able to achieve anything in my life. Honestly, there was a part of me which believed it was true. I certainly gave up. One step back led me landing nowhere. I was so lost, and I'm still recovering from it. But then I realized, whether you stay lost or find your way back, it's a choice. Whether you believe in what others said, or you believe in yourself, it's a choice. And that choice starts from your own mind. You have to make a choice. And thus, I made a choice for myself. I said to myself, no more will I let me treated low, or will anyone around me be treated low. I will embrace the qualities I've been gifted with and live with my fears, my failures with pride. I will accept my defeat, my failures, and shortcomings with dignity, and I will no longer let people surrounding me affect me or my performance. I will live my life like I have planned to live, and I will rise. You have to change yourself to get back on track. If you want to achieve great success and live a great life, you have to become someone else. You have to become someone no one thought you could be, not even you. You have to leave the sadness, the sense of isolation, and neglect you grew up with. You have to drop the negativity you have towards successful people. Drop the negativity you have towards yourself. Drop the negativity you have towards hard work, and drop the negativity you have towards sacrifice. You have to rise and become this new person. You have to completely change yourself and get back on track into someone no one thought you could be, not even you. Life is a war, and there are people out there, and there are things out there which are trying to take you down. Things are going to go wrong. Things may not go as per your plan. And when that happens, it's pretty easy to say, you know what, I'm just going to give up and step down. You could do that, but you know what? You should not stop until you achieved everything you've dreamed of, or even more. Get closer to your dreams instead of getting away from your dreams. Step by step, you should grow. Step by step, you should rise. Step by step, you should set an example and become someone no one thought you could be, not even you. I know there are people out there who won't believe in you, but what if you believed in you? You should grow. You should rise. You have to grow because someone else expects you to grow. So someone else will grow according to how you have grown. Become someone no one thought you could be, not even you. Thank you.